Just a short little video I'm making. It's my N54 on 3 single turbo manifold, but I think this will apply to all the other manifolds and turbos for stock turbos and stuff. But then exhaust manifold gaskets. This is the brand that I had to get right here. They fit real nice and snug. Check this out. This is a Fel-Pro. Just part number. It has all that play. Just doesn't fit right. And I got to another set from another store, but the same brand, Fel-Pro, same issue. So if you're doing N54 exhaust manifolds, do not use that part number or the part they give you at Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone or even Amazon. So for Fel-Pro, so the Fel-Pro ones, I don't know, they're way off, out of spec. I didn't like it, so I shopped around and got this brand, and you can't even pull these up, so they're nice and snug compared to that. But I thought I'd just make a quick video showing that, just in case people are wondering anything about the Fel-Pro gaskets for the N54. So that's all I was trying to show everybody, because I had a hard time trying to figure this out myself. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel for more N54 and turbo stuff.